Hi guys, in this video it's just a short update about Roku's user interface. In November, Roku implemented some changes like the user interface and the way that you can access your developer account. Let me show you what it's all about. If you sign up for a new account, everything is the same. Click on login and sign up. The changes are visible after you sign in or finish the sign up process. After you log in, you need to access firstly My Account tab in the right drop down. Then again, in the right corner drop down, select Developers. As you can see, the Developers portal also has a new look. More organized and it's more intuitive. We also found a shortcut. So if you want to access the developer portal directly, just go to developers.roku.com, log in, and you're on the developer page. You can find the direct link below this video. The submission process and management are the same as before. All in all, it looks better and it's easier to use. See you in the next update video.